If you're watching this video, it means that the compressor and the fan in the outside unit are working and the inside fan doesn't spin. If you check the temperature of the coil and the temperature is neither hot nor cold but something in between, then it's probably a lack of gas in the system or clogging of the gas system. In rare cases, when the aircon is old, even though you can hear the compressor working, the problem is in the compressor. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to contribute to channel's development, there are a few ways to do that. Click on subscribe button, share this video with someone who has the same problem, or reward my hard work on making those videos by making a small donation. For more details, click buy Dove beer link in the description area. Bye!